What you say, Sidewinders? Welcome back to another video. Day 335 of freestyling a random truck. I'm going to go with the Rexcavator today because the last time I ran this truck, I didn't have the full power upgrade on it. I've got it now. I just forgot to put it on it the first time. So we're going to take it to highest rated. We're going to go to Duckie Finals 15 here and run the Rexcavator truck. So enjoy the run. And guys, I know you've got requests, and I am working on it as I can. Like I said, between doing everything that I've got to do to keep my stuff in line and studying and all that stuff, it's just something I have to do. It's just, I'm not getting no younger, so I gotta get this stuff taken care of and do my part in making sure I do everything I can to see that it works out, hopefully. So, nonetheless, I know I yap about that in every video, so I'll just leave it at that. So enjoy the run.